Birth control is a contraceptive that prevents pregnancies. Its main form is the pill. The pill is comprised of mainly estrogen, and progestin, two very important hormones in the female reproductive system. They work closely together and hand in hand. But what does the pill do on a deeper level, thorough level? What does it trigger, release, block, or let go? Well, there are two hormones. The first one is FSH, follicle stimulating hormone. This hormone releases an egg when it's time for ovulation. And then LH, luteinizing hormone, which triggers ovulation. With adding extra E and P into the body, it suppresses the release of these hormones. But there's also something that releases those. It's called the gonadotropin releasing hormone. Once the patient takes the pill, it's broken down in the stomach, and from there it enters the bloodstream. There is a very important region of the forebrain called the hypothalamus that coordinates the autonomic nervous system and activity of the pituitary. The hypothalamus keeps up of when a hormone is lacking or is too much of. So it alerts the pituitary whether it needs more, so it will produce or it will suppress if there's too many. Within the pituitary, there's an anterior and posterior, and then there are these tall stems. What are these stems exactly? Those are actually GnRH neurons, where the cell is produced. So as our target cell, the GnRH neuron is stimulated when there's not enough E and P in the body for ovulation. So for the success of ovulation, the GnRH cells are signaled by the hypothalamus to be produced. So from there, the signal reaches the terminals and emit chemicals known as neurotransmitters, which communicate to other neurons. So with that, there is a cell membrane along with the calcium channel. Calcium aids in the release of neurotransmitters. So from there, the GnRH binds to specific receptors. The calcium creates force of work of the muscles, ultimately successfully releasing FSH and LH. When individuals take the pill, this process does not happen at all. The pill containing estrogen and progesterone add to the bloodstream, which causes the hypothalamus to think there is enough hormones for ovulation. In reality, the synthetic hormones trick the body and signals for no production of GnRH. Thus, it thickens the cervical mucus within the uterus, and from there, it blocks sperm from getting in when having intercourse.